Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya Srivastava and welcome back to Shaurya's Court. Today is Ganesh Chaturthi. So I made this model for you. So happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. And as I told you in the last video that the next video should be the Ganesh Chaturthi special video, so I have made it. Let's keep this aside for now. And yes. So today's video is about Ganesh Chaturthi and it's 31st of August and it's the Ganesh Chaturthi in India. So let's don't wait and start. So at last I have finished this much code to create a small app. A very small, So I will start the code. Start the application. To maximize this, let's type a random name like, what about Arjun or something like that. Let's type Ganesha. It's Ganesh Chaturthi, so submit form. Welcome Ganesha. Hi my dear friend. This app is made by me, Shaurya. Do you know we Indians celebrate a festival called Ganesh Chaturthi? Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi. Then, in this app, you can read about the festival and also learn step by step how to decorate homes. So why to wait? Let's start. Click the button below with a start on it to begin. Let's see. Maximize it. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Click any of the button below to see, watch, read and enjoy. What should we do first? You like reading or watching? Let's start with the reading. Wow! Ganesh Chaturthi or Vinayak Chaturthi is a 10-day festival held to honor the Hindu god of intelligence, Ganesha. The day usually falls in Gregorian months of August or September and is observed with prayer, public and private display of Ganesha idols. The chanting of Vedic hymns and fasting on the final day, the festival and idol of Ganesha is carried to public procession and plugged into a nearby body of water. When the clay dissolves, it is believed Ganesha returns to Shiva. Ganesha Chaturthi is celebrated across India as well Hindu diaspora countries like Nepal. Now Lord Shiva is nothing but Lord Shiva, another god. So now let's go back and let's watch decoration. So, wow, watch videos. Type the links given below in YouTube to access the videos. Ganesh Makhar Asan by Sparshaks and the link. Let us type in YouTube and see. YouTube. can type the link as https. Then what were the others? //youtube.b/s6 EPS youtube.b youtube.b S6 JWM it will take time, so we are only going to try the first one. FDMH. Wait a minute. FDMH. Then 4. Oh, see the first one. Let's that go. So this is with Ganesh Chaturthi around the corner. I wanted to make something special for Ganpati Bappa. Ganpati Bappa is another name for Ganesha, Lord Ganesha. So, though of making this eco-friendly Ganesh Bappa in lotus shape. See, this is a previous one. He made it and he made this now. Wow. Interesting. Now, if you are wondering what all are the names of Lord Ganesha, I can show you some of them. I didn't make an app on that, but I made a PPT. I made it on 2020. The first screen. In 2020, it was 22nd August. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh is a god. It also has 108 names like Ganpati, Ganpati Bappa, Gajanan, Gandhyakarsh, Vinayak, Vinyanarta, Kriti, etc. The Ganesh Chaturthi festival happens because of Lord Ganesh's birthday. Gajanan means elephant-faced god. Gandhyakarsh means Lord of all gods. Vinayak means Lord of all. Vignarta means Lord of hindrances. Kriti means Lord of music. The biggest Ganesh Chaturthi in India is Lal Bagh Ka Raja, you should know, in Mumbai. So, Ganesh has a mouse named Mushak. He also has an elder brother named Kartik. Kartik rides on peacock. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. May the blessings of Lord Ganesha always be upon you, and thank you. So, now who is Kartik? Who is Mushak? You have understood that. Kartik is the brother of Ganesha like it was given there, and Mushak is a mouse on which Lord Ganesha rides. This is Mushak. So hope you liked my app and PPT. So enjoy a lot in Ganesh Chaturthi and be happy, be safe, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you haven't liked my video, share my video to others so that they can also watch it and enjoy. And thank you. And I shouldn't forget to tell you that once again, Happy Ganesh Chaturthi